welcome to the YouTube show. We are talking in respect of week beginning. কত নম্বর week রে? কি week? শুরু কবে এই weekটা?
Second week শেষ হলো. Second week শেষ হলো.
Third week, May 2015. Now we have a level of Nifty at 8350. 8250. We need to possibly start trading about 8300 to have more uptrend. Maybe the range is 8350 on the upper side. So intraday there could be 8350 spikes. But it has not yet crossed 8300, so that's the problem. So before I start my program, a review of what we said last week, and more or less I had mentioned about HDI future to be sold if not crossing above 127. That worked very well and it came down to about 99.80. The results have come, nothing spectacular and nothing bad also. So I think now HDL will be fluctuating between a very we'll miss the momentum for a very simple reason. The results sab kuch aa gaya, so what is new about it? Maybe not a good stock to play anymore. Maybe trading in a very small range. I had mentioned about last week about Nifty. I mean, till about 8,400 trend doesn't change. So it has not happened. It has not been able to go above 8300 only. I had mentioned about buying Eicher Motors at any level. I wanted to say that there was a brilliant result. It worked. We had about 3,000 rupees upward movement in Eicher Motors. And Yes Bank, I had defined trading range to be 860, 870 was a trading range on the upper side, and above 827.29 Yes Bank to be bought and sell with 855, 858 as a resistance. So that also worked. I think I must have said some more, but I don't see that anyway. Let me take up some questions. Sharodindu Biswas 2 days ago has mentioned about that he bought 500 Ashok Leyland at a price of 71.5. It came down around 69 today. Though the overall market rallied, I have an intention to keep the stock until it reaches 76 again. Should I add more if it is coming down more a bit, and what level should I average if yes, my earlier query. Top line growth of Ashok Leyland has been quite good. Sufferings have been from the bottom line, so that is generally the corporate story of India. Yes. Chart so nothing is going to happen in a hurry in Ashok Leyland. You have bought, no problem. If it comes down to 62 levels, you can further buy. Is Akash Jain, is Hindustan Media Venture good stock to hold? I don't know about Hindustan Media Venture. Hey, Hindustan Media Venture, that's the chapter. I don't Google search for that. What do they do? Are we talking about Hindustan Times? I don't know. Maybe. Please suggest few pharma stocks for weekly trading. Auro Pharma, Sun Trading, and Sun Pharma. Auro Pharma needs to close above 1273 for any up move. Otherwise, 1225 to 30 is a good level to enter. Sun Pharma, nothing is happening. 915. I think double top formation around 968.72. So keep that as the stop for selling on the higher side. Similar is Auro Pharma. Well, buy will be always there at the lower side, no problem. Orko Prabhade, Amrutanjan Health bought at 467. 14-day RSI at 40.68. So what does 14 days RSI at 40.68 mean? Oh, the question is long term ki dhore rakha jaye? Yeah, dhore rakha jaye. Definitely. You can keep on hold. Amritanjan. And what to target? No, not really. Various stories unfold. কি আছে ওটা?
Technology, media and telecommunication.
Hindustan Times Group.
Hinduja Groups.
Hinduja Group. That means lot of Hinduja Groups means lot of what do you call it? Speculation. I think you have got lot very good stocks here at the 400 rupees level, so why even keep that in mind? I mean, this year SK's micro at 450 is a good buy. Now, target I don't know. The question is there are various stories which gets unfold. অনেক story অমৃতাঞ্জনে আসবে একটা তো ওদের জমি বিক্রি করার story থাকে. It's a sale of land, so value unlocking, so always happen. Grower and wheel 14 rupees 70 paisa. The balance sheet is good. এটা কিরকম ভবিষ্যৎ I don't know about grower and wheel. What do they do also I don't know. Actually there are so many stocks in the stock market, and even understanding 5 of them would mean that you are an expert to the extent of 95%. Just understanding 5 stocks. So there's no point in understanding grower and wheel and waste of time. BEML 1124960 te kine beshi ache. Doesn't matter. Let the government order start moving up. Then BEML is downtrend, and if the orders and other things starts working out, yes, 1700 is a price I can well imagine. But it will take time. It will not happen in a hurry. Right now, BEML. Let's check that BEML. BEML would be into some kind of a correction. Let's see. I'll just check it out. At the present level, you can buy. It has taken support at about 850, 850, 900 zone. So that could be the base support level, and from here, some movement should happen. Bishash. Oh, he has made some opinion on Orko Prabha's. Let's see. You better ask me questions, Vishwajit, instead of giving GAN to others, because if you want to give the GAN, open up another what do you call it? YouTube site and give all the GAN. But আমার সাইটে এসে অন্যকে জ্ঞান দেবে, আমাকে ফোন করে বিভিন্ন লোক বলেছে যে they are very disturbed about it. I am not disturbed, but they are disturbed. So don't give all that GAN. Keep your GAN to yourself, or open a new what do you call it? YouTube and start giving GAN to the other people. So that should not be a problem. Saurabh Ghosh. Saurabh Ghosh has said the thing what I wanted to say. Okay, Vishwajit Vishwas. Sir, Kitex government stock টা ব্যাপারে খোঁজ দিয়ে বলবেন বলেছিলেন দুর্গাপুরে, যদি জানান তো ভালো হয়। Yeah. The technical charts are very good. Kitex garments. It should go up quite a bit. But I'm not very convinced about these Kitex garments and the brands and the shops they're talking about. So I'll avoid, but the stock will go up. So you keep a trading stock. You have to show me something in Durgapur, I remember. So keep a trading stock and just hold. KNR construction niye kono view. I had always a bullish view right from my March seminar. That was about 350. Now it's about 400 plus. Vishwajit Vishwas. Indrajesh Gupta, HDL Future and Eicher Motor Equity coming week levels generally. HDL has said that the main charm is over because the results have come. And the other levels remains 114, 119, 127 resistance levels and support 107, 102 and 96. So it according to Eicher Motors, it actually moved up 5 days in the last week, so I don't see much of movements happening this week. Best has happened, maybe retracements should be bought. I have sold Eicher Motors, Blue Dart and Page. At what level can I enter? No, I can't answer. Where have you sold? What are trading levels of NBCC? Avoid. Yes Bank. I've told you last YouTube. And plus I have already mentioned in my English version in Share Bazaar. And Axis Bank. Can I hold Marico, Repco Home, Mockery in my portfolio? Yes, you can hold. Trading levels of NBCC. NBCC. Yes Bank I know, 855 to 57 resistance. And what is this? How to down?
725.
Opera kala hoyechilo?
1087.
So 1087, 1100 rupees, 750, 800 should be a reasonable level for NBC. But the NBC's charm is gone because of the disinvestment program of the government. Or Prabhat RO, Morton Lab, Dr. Datsun, APL, Apollo 2. No, none of them in my radar, and I am not interested for these kind of penny stocks. Vishwajit Vishwas. Watch, he has made some opinion about Morp and Dr. Datsun and all that. Anyway, I don't keep a track, so there's no point in talking to me. Amit Bera, if you can highlight banking sector, okay? Highlight banking sector, you want to know what is banking sector all about. There are two kinds of banks, PSU and private. And they are the PSU banks lend money which they never get back, and Yes Bank and the private sector banks, they lend money, they get it back. So there are two types, Sri or Bisri. একটা Sri by the private sector and Bisri হচ্ছে PSU. It's a banking, whatever you wanted to know. Axis Bank, Kotak and ESL weekly trading level জানালে উপকৃত হব. Please be in touch with Shantan at my Dalhousie office where I sit every Tuesday. You can come to that office and find out from Shantan what are the levels. Is there a PSU bank that can be bought 2-3 year horizon? IDBI maybe. Rest is when the issue of PSU banks will get sorted out, then only we will think about PSU bank buying. Right now, any buying will be absolutely wastage of time and money. Saurabh Ghosh 1 hour ago. Next week, short by long position trade. Kota scripts bole bhalo hoy. I have written that all in my English version of the Share Bazaar newspaper. I have given too many buys and too many sells, so please check it out. Then Indrashish Gupta, please discuss about HDL Future, Eicher Motor, Bosch, Blue Dart, equity. Yeah, I think Eicher Motors, Bosch, Blue Dart are all buys. Whenever they fall, they are all buys. I mean, you can't play Eicher Motors with level, you cannot play Bosch with level, and you can't play Blue Dart with level. The only question is you have to buy whenever there are opportune times. So that was it. The market is wobbling. and suggestions are there that the market should go up. Suggestions are there. It's not value, it's not backed up by volume parameters. So there aren't any volume breakup as far as Nifty is concerned. But Bank Nifty looks a better chart. Bank Nifty looks a better chart. And the momentum should be better. But looking at Nifty, I am waiting for those closings above 8300 at least for 2 nights. Otherwise, there's no confirmation about the upward trend. Yes, rupee is getting a bit of strength. Crude is not rising anymore. I'm waiting for VIX to come down below 19. Once VIX starts coming, India VIX starts coming below 19, there will be positive action in the market. Till that time, obviously there's a range. There are beautiful breakouts because of backed up by results like Eicher Motors, Jubilant Food. I think MCX is a good buy. MCX is a good buy. About 1100 rupees the price. That's because the MCX business volume have started going up, which basically means that fundamentally MCX should start moving up. That's one stock I am looking at for this week. I'm also looking at maybe Natco Pharma. Roughly 2300 টাকা মতন দাম, 2300 rupees the price. Can retouch for creating a double top, 2700 rupees level. Backed by fundamentals out of acquisition. I think that acquisition is good. Pharma analysts initially made an opinion that the acquisition was a bit of high price and all that. I don't understand the price. The management would have seen the price and all that. So why look at the now, issue is which stock do you play? What do you play? I think Adani is showing great power. Results not very impressive, but I think the project they have signed in China is about $5 billion, which is a good addition to the entire structure of Adani. So Adani becomes a buy. But what would be the stop? Acha, you can also sell, keeping roughly 50 as the stop loss. What was the other one? 740 was the closing, so even 750 could be just a psychological level. I don't see that's a very serious level. Serious level is somewhere around 775, 780. But retracements can be bought with stop of 728. Moment it starts trading below 728, the weakness will creep in, and I think in that case we could have supports about 705 as Adani Enterprise for next week. It seems that a lot of people are interested in Eicher Motors. Eicher Motors is trading above all-time high, so I'll go to develop you on the Eicher Motors. Anyway, our targets are 26,000 Eicher Motors all the time. That's not the issue. Question is where to enter the retracements. Similar would be Blue Dart, and I think Page Industries also qualifies for that kind of buy. Jubilant did that wonder, and I think I was wondering for this. I thought, I'm 100 rupees lower, I will buy Jubilant, but it did not give me a chance. I think the railway catering in Jubilant Foodworks really works out very positive because Pizza Hut has already got the orders, and why would Domino not get? I doubt. So they will be getting that railway order for supplies to the people who are commuting in the railway or traveling in the railway, and that's a big business. Apart from the fact that about 50 more showrooms or shops are they going to open this year, that's a very bold statement from the management. So I like the management commentary and Jubilant Foods. Now, I got the closing Jubilant Food. 1752. 1752 Jubilant Foods ক্লোজ করেছে, এটা কি অল টাইম হাই? ওকে, তো এটা একটা গ্যাপ আপ আছে, সুতরাং এটা ফরমেশনটা যেটা ক্যান্ডেলস্টিক্স আমরা বলি শুটিং স্টার, আর সেটার একটা বড় ক্যান্ডেলে করেছে তো যেটা ঠিক স্টার হচ্ছে না ব্যাপারটা। যাই হোক, স্টার হোক আর সান হোক আর মুন হোক, মালটা কিনে whether you can make some money or not, that's also. Now, do I buy at this? The best of story has happened. I think the story is getting created. Best has not happened. এ তো পরে অর্ডারগুলো পাবে অ্যান্ড অল দ্য দোকান খুলবে। সো আচ্ছা, তুই স্ট্যাচুরারি ওয়ার্নিং দিয়েছিস এই সিগারেট খাওয়ার ব্যাপারটা, ঘুরে ঘুরে
দেওয়া হয়
দিয়ে দিবি তলায়, ক্যান্সার হয় অমুক হয় দেওয়া হয়। তো জুবিলিয়েন্ট ফুডটা 17 কত বলি 1730, আর এই বেস থেকে একটা ফিবোনাকি নাম তো দেখি কিছু আছে কি আসছে 23
1600
তো 1600 টাকা যদি ঢুকতে পারেন খুব ভালো। আই উড ভেরি সেফ ইন ইউর এন্টারিং 1600 জুবিলিয়েন্ট, যদিও 1730 বন্ধ হয়েছে। সো wait for the retracements, and I think this week it's going to do that. And I think similarly Natco Pharma is going to do well. It's about 2300. Did I speak about Natco Pharma? I think I spoke about Natco Pharma. So that was in my radar. Now what to do with Bharat Forge? Bharat Forge chart there. We'll wait for 1320 closing. So যতক্ষণ না 1320 closing হচ্ছে 1327 কে স্টপ করে বারে বারে উপরে ভারত ফোর্জ বেচে, you can sell Bharat Forge. I spoke too much in Bengali, so the people from Cuttack and Dhanbad and Maharashtra is not understanding what I'm saying. जो भी है 1320-22 का स्टॉप करके बार बार बेच के ट्राई करो, और नीचे में 1265 का काफ़ी सपोर्ट है, 1255 से 65 सपोर्ट है, उस सपोर्ट में लेने का है। अभी अप ट्रेंड में है, सो भारत फोर्ज कैन बी बॉट, जहाँ जहाँ लोअर लेवल्स मिलता है तो भारत फोर्ज कैन बी बॉट। सो दैट्स अनदर इश्यू ऑन ट्रेडिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट वीक। अच्छा, in my paper newspaper, in the English version, I have put all these things. Maharashtra, you will not be able to see that. I will try to organize e-copy for you to watch it, Mahesh, or Kavinder in Dhanbad, or Dushmant in Cuttack. Anyway, overall market, I will not say the choppiness is over, more or less. The choppiness will be over. Now is a question of consolidation, or how well it can consolidate. As I said, Nifty will break out the moment it starts trading about 8300. Now the question is, when it does, fair enough, we will talk further. But in all probability is going to do it. In all probability is going to do it. The failure happens if 8050 is broken. The failure happens and we will go short. In that case, we will buy puts. Now, do you do a straddle right now, buy call and puts 8300? Not really, because we are already half of the month. But assuming if it is closing above 8300, we are going to buy a 8300 call. So that keep in mind. তাহলে 8300 কল কিনবো, যদি 8300 উপর বন্ধ হয়, সেটা ওটা খেয়াল রাখতে হবে। এবার ছুটপুট আচ্ছা, একটু এই ফাঁকে ডিসিবি ব্যাংক, প্লিজ স্টার্ট অ্যাকুমুলেটিং ডিসিবি ব্যাংক। I think monthly charts are very good in DCB Bank. Monthly charts are looking very good, promising above 127. Now that's the question. I mean, it makes the promise and tries to fail. So check the volume and you will find that the DCB Bank is worth buying. Also buy Rail Industries. I think earlier I've said about Rail Industries. 40-41 this is the accumulation zone. Please buy 47-48 could be the resistance level of Rail Industries. It has already resisted there once after I said earlier to my clients, but I think Rail Industries are good to pick up. And wait for 2620 to cross on Suzlon this week. Maybe we will get up to 28 if it happens. I don't know. If it doesn't happen, please put that in the stop and sell. No problem. You will get 80-90 paisa retracements. You can always get. This is a momentum stop. I think the buying has to be only done once we start crossing 8300. Till that time, it's a sell on rise. It's a sell on rise program. Not all the stocks, mainly on the Nifty oriented stocks. Maybe the private banks, maybe the banks. State Bank results are there. So State Bank, if it cannot cross 292, sell. Stop 294. Suppose it crosses that, then it will reach around 305. By the time the results also will come, I am expecting again NPA problems in State Bank. So in that case, buy a 300 put. This should be used on the day of the results for intraday kind of story. Suppose, and it will be a big jerk. It will be a big jerk because it has started moving from 255, has already done about close to 50 bucks. So there could be huge retracements provided the NPA and other factors comes down. And so keep on that side. So see you next week again in my YouTube program.